Are you ready to jump into Asana and streamline your workflow? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to log into Asana, whether you're completely new or just need a refresher. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access your account quickly and securely so you can start managing your tasks and projects with zero hassle. All right, let's get started. To begin, open your web browser, whatever you prefer, Chrome, Safari, Edge, it all works, and type in asana.com in the address bar. Hit enter, and in just a second, the Asana homepage will appear. Now, this might seem obvious, but starting from the official website ensures you're logging in safely and you're not accidentally landing on a lookalike page. It's a small detail, but it really matters for keeping your data protected. Next up, look for the Login button. This is usually up in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and give that a click. This takes you directly to the sign-in screen. Nothing too fancy here, but let's slow down for just a second because Asana gives you a couple of ways to log in. If you registered using your Google account, which a lot of people do for convenience, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. If you used another email to register, maybe your work address or a personal account, there's a field for you to enter that as well. Here's an important little tip. Always select the exact email you used when you first created your Asana account. If you try a different email, even if it's one you use all the time, Asana won't recognize it for this particular workspace. It's like arriving at a party. You need the right invite to get in. So if you're on a shared device, double-check that you're clicking into the right Google account or typing your email address correctly. If you're ever unsure, you can check your inbox for those first Asana welcome emails to confirm which address you used. After you've selected your email or Google account, go ahead and confirm your choice. If you're using Google, you may see a familiar account chooser pop up. Just select your profile, click, and you're on your way. Now, here comes the waiting game. Asana will take a few moments to securely log you in. You might see a spinner or loading screen. That's totally normal. Don't worry if it takes a handful of seconds, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow or if Asana is updating in the background. Think of it as the app rolling out the red carpet and getting everything ready for you. And that's it. You're in. You'll land right on your Asana dashboard, ready to assign tasks, track projects, and collaborate with your team. If you ever run into any trouble logging in, maybe you forget your password or can't find the right email, just use the password recovery options or reach out to your admin. The most important thing is to keep your login details safe and avoid sharing your credentials. All right, I hope this walkthrough makes logging into Asana feel easy and approachable. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about signing in or even tips to make Asana work better for your team, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.